Behold, ancient Rome, a city of unparalleled power and ambition. At its heart stood a figure whose name echoes through history, Julius Caesar, a man whose vision and ambition would forever reshape the Roman Republic. From humble beginnings, his path was destined for greatness. Born into a patrician family, Caesar's early life was marked by political turmoil. He quickly distinguished himself through military service and oratorical skill. His political acumen led to a powerful alliance. The first triumvirate with Pompey and Crassus, he formed an unofficial pact to dominate Roman politics. This strategic move propelled him into the consulship, a key step to power. His popularity soared among the common people, who saw him as their champion. He championed reforms that benefited the plebeians, earning their unwavering loyalty. Caesar's influence grew, setting the stage for his legendary military campaigns. The vast lands of Gaul beckoned, a challenge Caesar eagerly embraced. For 8 years, he led his legions through relentless campaigns. His military genius was undeniable, securing victory after victory. From Alesia to Guragovia, Caesar's strategies were revolutionary. He expanded Rome's territory, bringing immense wealth and resources. The Gallic War cemented his reputation as Rome's greatest general. His soldiers adored him, loyal to a leader who shared their hardships. The prestige gained from gold made him a formidable power in Rome. But with power came envy and a growing rift with his former allies. The Senate, fearing his ambition, ordered him to disband his army. On January 10th, 49 BC, Caesar faced a monumental decision. He uttered the fateful words, "Alea iacta est." The die is cast. This act ignited a devastating civil war against his former ally, Pompey. The conflict tore the Republic apart, pitting Roman against Roman. Key battles, like Pharsalus, showcased Caesar's tactical brilliance. Despite overwhelming odds, he emerged victorious, consolidating his power. With the civil war concluded, Caesar returned to Rome as its undisputed master. He was appointed Dictator Perpetuo, dictator for life. A radical departure. Caesar embarked on an ambitious program of reforms to rebuild Rome. He reformed the calendar, creating the Julian calendar, still largely in use today. Land distribution to veterans and the poor addressed social inequalities. He granted Roman citizenship to many provincials, expanding Rome's reach. Caesar was a visionary leader, but his autocratic rule challenged republican values. His growing power sparked fear among senators, who saw him as a tyrant. A conspiracy formed, led by Brutus and Cassius, to restore the Republic. On the Ides of March, 44 BC, Caesar arrived at the Senate. He was surrounded by conspirators, his fate sealed by betrayal. The assassination plunged Rome into chaos and a power vacuum. His death ultimately led to the end of the Roman Republic. Caesar's legacy, however, transcended his violent end. His reforms and military conquests laid the foundation for the Roman Empire. He remains one of history's most influential and complex figures. Julius Caesar, the man who changed Rome forever, leaving an indelible mark on Western civilization.